You can draw hands, and when you try it seems like sausages or iron wires. Don't worry, in this video I teach you how to improve all that in only 3 steps. Hi, it's PA and we start right now. Step 1. Indicate the direction of the palm and fingers with a square and lines. Step 2. Add the volumes with cylinders. I also draw the objects. Exercise. Practice drawing cylinders in any perspective. It will be easier for draw the fingers. So divide the palm into 4 equal parts for draw the thumb shape. Step 3. I refine the O by going over the landmarks. I draw the fat and the nails. Conclusion. With this method, we can draw hands in any positions. Of course, here I simplify for better understanding. But you can also do more complex things like this, or this. If the realization of these drawings interests you, you can see my last videos. It was PA. Bye.